Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a university transcript. Your academic transcript is a vital document detailing all courses taken, grades earned, and degrees awarded during your time at university. It serves many purposes, from applying to graduate school to verifying your qualifications for employment. We will guide you through the straightforward process of securing this important record, ensuring you have what you need for your next steps. The first step involves navigating to your university's secure online student portal using your unique login credentials. Once inside, you will typically find a section dedicated to academic records or the registrar's office. This area is your primary hub for managing all official student-related documents. Take a few moments to explore the menu options. Most systems are intuitively designed, helping you find the transcript request function with ease. Once you locate the transcript request option, you will likely encounter an online form requiring some key details. Be ready with your student identification number, full legal name, and your specific dates of enrollment or graduation. Carefully select whether you need an official transcript, typically bearing a seal or watermark, or an unofficial one, which you can usually download instantly. Remember, official transcripts often need to be sent directly from the university to the receiving institution. Most universities charge a nominal fee for official transcripts, usually ranging from $5 to around $25 per copy. You can often pay these fees directly through the portal using a credit or debit card. Carefully choose your delivery option. Standard mail can take several business days, while electronic delivery is usually much faster, often available within 1 to 2 days. Expedited shipping is available at an additional cost for urgent requests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.